Hi, my name's Aisha and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Cricut Explore 3 so you can start creating your very own projects. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of future uploads. Carefully take the Cricut Explore 3 out of the box and remove any packaging. Within the box you'll find a welcome pack that includes test cut material, warranty information and a Cricut Explore 3 booklet. You'll also find bonus smart materials, power cable, USB cable, premium fine point blade and housing and the Cricut Explore 3. Start by inserting the power cable into the round hole on the back of the machine, then open it up by pressing the button on the left hand side of the machine. Power up the Explore 3 by pressing the on button. Download the free Cricut Design Space app onto your laptop, PC, mobile or tablet device. If you've not already got one, create a Cricut ID by filling out all of the required fields. If you do already have an ID, log into your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Cricut Explore 3, pairing your device via Bluetooth when prompted. Any machine or firmware updates will then take place. Before using your Cricut Explore 3, make sure it's positioned at least 10 inches from the wall. This will allow the material to pass through your machine freely. This rule also applies when using cutting mats with your machine. Select Continue and then carry out a test cut using the supplied material within the welcome pack. Follow the on-screen instructions to load the vinyl into the machine and begin the cut. You're then ready to start creating your projects. Additional blades and housing can be stored in the compartment on the base of the machine. Essential tools can also be stored in the larger compartment. Discover digital cutting with Hobbycraft.